God is so good. I thank God for today, because today was a good day. Working hard, and I always praise Him and give Him the glory and the honor that He deserves. Because everything that I do, everything that I go through, I always give thanks to God. Because if it wasn't for Him, I wouldn't make it. But no matter what trial we're going through in life, be strong and have faith in God. Jesus will always be there for you and me. So keep going through, keep going. Don't give up. Don't give up in life. Jesus will always there for you. The Second Chronicle chapter 15 verse 7 says, "But as for you, be strong and courageous, for your work will be rewarded." So don't give up.